Hi, I'm Adam. I'm a freelancer on Upwork, and I am kind of a coding generalist. I'm a holistic sort of guy, but I mostly work in ETLs, data pipelines, changing the format of one data to another type of data, which is kind of what coding is. I also am a front-end developer, particularly Vue.js is my preferred style. I'm also great with databases and database querying, as well as analytics and Python scripting. Interacting with people in the business world and at various kind of levels of the business world. I'm a very good interface or liaison between various departments, or maybe even translator in some cases. I have a background in economics. I've built full stack apps with multiple technologies, and I've designed automated reporting systems using Python, Sheets, Google Cloud tools. I've also worked on production teams using Git, agile workflows, and software testing. Most of my clients come to me because they want something. Turning a messy spreadsheet into a smart system, connecting APIs and automating manual tasks, or building intuitive front-end interfaces to make your data usable. I have a lot of passions and interests. I love to learn, and I love to meet new clients and experience new environments. I'm very interested in the latest technologies. I'm very passionate and interested in AI and AI development. You can view my channel on YouTube on Think Me for examples of my sort of presentation and production, as well as my own personal views and philosophy that apply to the work that I do. I'm reliable, responsive, fast, and I love solving problems that matter. If you've got a system to fix, a prototype to build, or a process to streamline, get in touch with me.